Hey guys, welcome back to Nomad Emily and Walker. I just got a few new molds in. I got the Epic Neko crawler from Epic Bait Molds, and I got the tail mold with that. So we're gonna do some combo colors here today. All right, I got the Ned crawler, tail mold, the tapeworm, and the Niko crawler up here. I know some people don't warm up their molds. I just tend to do that as a habit. So, all right, we're gonna shoot the tail molds first.
So for the tails, we're going to shoot in a blood red. Kind of doing a South African special type of thing. It's been a while since I've done the blood red, so I'm not going to add too much to start off with, because I really don't remember the strength of it. Let's start there. Yep, definitely need a lot more. And this is non-bleed. It's another thing that's really important when you're using a red. Reds, like red lures, if you've noticed in your bag, will bleed a lot faster. Will change the color of other lures. This one won't do that. With some black. So also the lure works. This is the square cut, the 0.35. And I'm also going to use some of the big stuff. And then some of the small as well. Bunch of variation in the black. Even though there's already red in there, I want to make it very apparent that these are red tails. So some fire red as well. That's pretty cool. I know this one doesn't take very much for the tails. Not really much in there either. Have it. What's the color there? Oh. Well, I definitely made enough of those tails for quite a few of these lures. The tails. They're very pretty. Flawless. Wow, and that runner is definitely long enough to where I don't have to worry about these drawing up too much plastic and denting. Very happy with those. Turned out just as good. And this mold's awesome, and this thing usually does great. So since we're doing South African special, you have to start with black for the body. So what I'm going to do is add some big Lureworks square dark gold. The grape. Silver. A little silver. And then fire red. Okay, we'll see how that turns out there. I don't want to go completely crazy with it. I know it's already a lot of flake. That is very pretty. Very nice. So for the tails on this one, just kind of get a little bit of that worm oil on there. But Home is a really good guide, and you just put all the tails in. It's a lot easier than cutting them, I'll tell you that. Now for the Neko crawler. Look how different, how shinier that is. These other mold a ton. They're always so pretty, and now I get to mess it all up. First time even shooting this mold. What I like about these tails too is they do have this part that sticks out, but the plastic will go around it and hold the tail in a lot better than if you were just to cut it yourself. Oh, there's a little gap there. Just double checking my work. All right. Go ahead and smush. That's awesome. Just realized these two molds are the same height. That literally made my day. I'm not sure how much this will take, so I'm just going to load it up. I'm going to start with the Nikos. There's a lot more plastic than I thought it would. A lot more. It does make sense though. Some of those worm styles, like stick baits and stuff, do take a lot. And it'll use a fair bit of plastic, so it makes sense. I still have a half my plastic left. Get another run in. All right, let's do this. I'm gonna do the Neko first because it's the new mold and I really want to see it. That is so cool. Oh, I absolutely love those. What a cool mold. Yeah, I'm really happy I got these. I wanted these for a while and I kept kind of backing out, getting something different. I'm glad I finally chose these. They are so cool. Tapworms. I already know I like this mold. Really cool. I think that's great with their tail molds. That is crazy. Love it.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate that, and hope to see you guys again soon. Take care.